How to resize your product images to the same size. Shopify tips. First, open your Shopify account and in the left side of your screen, select Products. Now, select the product that you want to resize the image of. Now, once you're here, go to Media and select the image. Once you have opened the image, in the lower left corner of your screen, you can see this icon, the third one, named Resize. Once you click that, you can see in the right side of the screen the width and the height of the image. All you have to do is simply change it to the width and height that you want, and it will automatically be changed in the preview. Now, this lock aspect ratio, if it is checked, the width and the height will be changed together even if you only edit one of them. So if you only want to edit the width and not the height, you have to uncheck the lock aspect ratio, just like how you see it here in the preview. Once you are done and satisfied with your resizing, simply click Done in the upper right corner of the screen, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.